Hello everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 21 of 30 tips in 30 days how to get stuff done. So today's tip has to do with to-do lists again. So I recorded a little bit earlier this morning and I thought, well, I'm going to take a page out of my own book and keep going and get this done early in the day so that I don't miss a day again. So I've come out into the garden to join the birds who have decided it's breakfast time, and they're getting very vocal about it. So hopefully I don't have to compete too hard with them for you to be able to hear me. So back to to-do lists. So today's tip is to verb up your to-do list. So here's a couple of steps to help you get your to-do list to work for you. So first of all, I'm talking about a daily to-do list. I'm not talking about setting annual, monthly goals for yourself. I'm talking about a daily to-do list. So hopefully you have been able to think about what you'd like to get accomplished by the week, and you have a task list to go with that. So your daily to-dos are going to come from your task list. And with any kind of luck, you've been able to create the list the day before. However, if not, why not start first thing in the morning? So if you're listening to this first thing in the morning, you could start right now to get your to-do list done for today. So I'd like to recommend that you start with 5 things on your list and prepare to only get accomplished one, hopefully the most important thing. And if you get another 2 things done, then those become freebies. Yay, you've got 3 things done off your list. And the other 2 things are what I think of as perhaps fillers. So if the circumstances or timing or condition don't stay appropriate for the first things to get done, then you can get the other 2 things done. So 5 things on your list, get them off your task list, and when you write those items out, write them out starting with a verb. So you're going to create them as an action item, which I refer to as verbing up your to-do list. So for example, you might want to power wash your deck today. And what often people end up doing is putting that as a noun on their to-do list. So it might be deck or deck wash or something along those lines. I'd like to suggest that you actually write down power wash back deck, so that your brain specifically moves towards the action that's associated with what you need to get done. So maybe you listened to my video early this morning, and you've decided that you want to sit down and create an annual goal list for the next 12 months. So you might, rather than writing just goal list or list of goals or whatever, rather than writing it as a noun, write it as an action item, starting with a verb. So create or write or generate or some words such as that will help to move your brain right to the action of what it is that you would like to accomplish. And then finally, keep that list with you all day long so that you can make sure that as you're working your way through your day and as your life comes at you, as it will, we know that it will, you can stay on task. Stay on task, stay focused, and make sure that you get the things that are important to you done during your day to day. So have fun with that, folks. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye now.